How is it that some people annoyingly can connect with others instantly? Margot Robbie achieves this with high energy and empathy. I used to communicate with people for a living, and I'd use the following techniques to connect with more than a dozen new people each week. So learn to spot these 4 personality patterns and apply them in your own life to improve your interactions. Build up others. Wait for Gosling's reaction as proof of the power of building others up.
What's so special about this partnership?
I love working with Ryan. I kind of go after actors that I think are the most brilliant ones working today. I found the other day a list of things to do before I died. On that list, I'm actually not kidding, meet Ryan Gosling was on that list. Yeah, it's okay if you cry. It wasn't even work with Ryan Gosling, like I didn't even dream that big.
What?
Isn't it clever how Robbie took an open-ended question and used it as an opportunity to affirm something that Gosling finds fundamentally valuable about himself?
I kind of go after actors that I think are the most brilliant ones working today.
Gosling's unbroken eye contact and fully turned body showcase that he's completely absorbed by Robbie's compliment. Think about how rarely you get complimented for your strengths. When you spotlight and compliment others, they feel admired and in turn build a psychological appreciation for your positivity and opinion. Here's an opportunity where Robbie did not build up her co-star.
You guys could have anyone narrate your life. Who would you choose?
Oh wow.
Margot Robbie.
Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeman.
While this is fine, in which clip do you think she scored more points with Gosling? Want to master the skill of building up others well? Do not filter out the positive thoughts that you have of someone. When you notice something complimentary about another person, just blurt it out.
Let's give a quick shout out to Christina Applegate.
Be energetic. It is unbelievable how difficult it is for Margot Robbie to contain herself even in back-to-back interviews.
So excited. The body roll with the
No.
That's insane. Nothing can have every flavor. This move to the front. Yeah, aren't they the best?
It is this outward enthusiasm that boosts the mood of the whole room and makes the other person feel engaging and interesting. You typically see this energetic behavior more naturally and frequently in personality types who gain charge from interaction. But strategic enthusiasm is a universal currency appreciated across all types. Check out the crazy energy contrast in the way that Gosling and Robbie answer the same question.
What is your most fulfilling acting job of your career?
The whole environment that Margot created as a producer and Greta as well just really brought the best out of everyone, and this whole experience has been pretty hard to do.
I was so happy every day. Honestly, that every day was the best day ever. And even like now, like talking about it, like I've never been so excited.
In this context, Robbie's more emotionally forward and excitable response is simply more captivating. How do you become an expert at applying energy well? Lean into periodically evaluating the quality of a conversation and amping up that enthusiasm when the conversation interest starts to dip. But there's one massive downside to Robbie's extroverted tendencies in all these clips. Stay tuned to the end to see what that downside is and how to avoid its trappings. Make them feel essential. Watch how Robbie expertly uses voice inflection, touch, and strong eye contact to convey disappointment that Gosling was absent from a party.
We had a party that night. Oh, you'd gone by that
Yeah,
point. You
I was
missed
like,
it.
what?
It was so fun. I wish you were there. We'll have another one.
You make others feel valued when you communicate that they add to the fun and that something is missing without them. What communication do you think Gosling is receiving from Margot Robbie when she sends him a gift every day?
Gifts every day for him?
Ryan was our dream choice for this role. Greta wrote his name into the script. Ken Ryan Gosling. When Greta and I are trying to get Ryan to sign on, come do Barbie with us. I said, I will give you a present every single day if you come do this movie.
Psst, it's that he's high value. Here's a lovely opposite example of when people don't respect each other.
And now, back to this that had a lot to say about me the other day in the press. Miley, what's good?
Hey!
Want to nail this habit? Focus on emphasizing authenticity. Disruptions in typical vocal patterns, mood, and physical closeness, like Robbie shows, are persuasive methods of building authenticity. Be harmonious.
Is this a kids movie?
This specific response pins Margot Robbie as a Myers-Briggs feeler.
It was literally crafted to be for everyone. It's amazing. There really is something for everyone. This is a big party and everyone is invited.
Not only does she answer the question in an inclusive, empathetic manner, but watch her use explicit sensory and feeling-based language to expand on her response.
The whole movie plays on so many different levels. It's so silly, absurd, ridiculous, tangible. I wasn't expecting to be crying. Just gonna be blown away, be like, yes, I felt that one.
You know what? Everyone has needs. The connection trick here is to key into decision making that enables mutual winning. This element of empathetic behavior typically occurs more naturally and frequently with personality types that focus less on logical decision making, but strategic selflessness is a universal currency in building strong relationships. Here's an example of how decision making with a lack of empathy can turn you into a villain.
You gotta lie to him. Sell the dream. Sell the dream. We were taking their money, all of it. I had these guys selling their houses, life savings, loans, all of it to me. Give me it all.
You don't feel bad at all.
No, give a solitary I don't give a
Is it easy to become adept at compromise? Yes. Just look for opportunities to check in and understand how others feel. Then, seek to help them feel satisfied without sacrificing your own needs. I promise a massive pitfall that Margot Robbie and other extroverted feelers often share. The red circle represents Robbie speaking, and the green square represents the same for Gosling. I've timed various interviews, and Robbie typically speaks 3 times as much as Gosling.
Because you're pretty much an honorary Aussie.
That means a lot.
Yeah, he has, hasn't he? He was going to
She keeps hogging that spotlight.
After Barbie.
Can you believe that the interviewer made direct eye contact with Gosling and even gestured towards him? Yet Robbie still steamrolls over Gosling's opportunity to answer. Extroverted feelers can struggle to find a balance between their enthusiasm and taking a back seat. Those who monopolize conversation rob others of participation and may be perceived as selfish, egotistical, or controlling. The secret weapon that excessive talkers can use to master this problem is to direct their conversation influence into discussion prompts for others. Can you see how Robbie has the ability to share the conversation opportunity and build camaraderie by passing the torch to others?
I saw the movie yesterday.
What'd you think?
I loved it. I think, like everyone, I approached it with a bit of cynicism, but you bloody did it.
That is my perfect day. What's your perfect day?
Make really good coffee in the morning, then maybe avocado on toast, then Harry Potter and just playing with my puppy.
You are speaking my language. Okay, that's my second best day.
Those are 4 Margot Robbie personality traits that you can apply to become a connection magnet. But imagine if you could apply those traits with the one key to Tom Cruise's 30-plus year supremacy over Hollywood.